Hey YouTube, it's Taki with TaqiTech. Okay, so we're about to assign. We're working our way to assigning a macro to a button that we created a few videos ago. But right now we're just going to kind of plan our project. So what I want to do with this project initially is I want to take basically recreate what we have here only dynamically by just hitting the button. So as I'm taking a look at it, first thing we're going to do is we are going to create a new sheet. So I'm just going to write it here in code, and then you could always hit the little apostrophe before what you're typing to kind of take notes or to comment something out. So create a new sheet. Then we're going to make the headers. Make the header. Then we're going to paste formula into cells. Formula into cells. And then we're going to copy the cells. We're going to paste the cells. Put the E here. And let me see. I guess right here we're going to, so I'm going to put a step in here, get the number of names. Okay. All right. So basically, when you take a look at get data, the sub function, you're only going to see maybe how many things, how many steps do we have in here? 6 lines of code. That's it. In each one of these comments or notes here, or potential lines of code, will just be calls to either functions or subroutines. So that's kind of taking an object-oriented approach. And basically, the way I used to program, and the way you might see when I start getting into some of my older projects, is it was called procedural programming, and that was where you basically put everything in the same function. Or very rarely you would have a subroutine or a function, and basically you start at the beginning and you get to the end. Well, now with kind of an object-oriented approach, you kind of break the project up into smaller chunks, and in that way it becomes easier to maintain and edit and troubleshoot, and it just makes things a lot cleaner and easier to manage. So that's it for this video here. That's basically, we're just planning out the project. One thing it will do before we end here, let's go back to native Excel, to that command button on the names sheet. Let's assign it a macro. So I right-clicked on it, scroll down to assign macro, and we should have in here get data. Here it is. So I'm going to click OK. So now when I click on that, it will go into get data. We take it out of design mode, click on it, but nothing's happening because we didn't write one line of code yet. We just put some notes in there. So thanks a lot for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you like the content on this channel, make sure you do subscribe. And take it easy. I'll see you next time.